Good evening, my name is Fernando Roque Vidal. I am a student in the master program at the Ural Federal University, and this is my project on automated line for the production of lithium-ion batteries in Bolivia. The lithium batteries business around the world is growing each day, and Bolivia has the largest lithium deposits located in the salt flats of Bolivia. So I've created a new line of production for these batteries, and I've simulated the process using the Robot Studio software. The materials needed to create the battery are anodes made out of graphite and cathodes made out of lithium carbonate. These are solved with chemicals and then put into copper rolls. These rolls are cut into small sheets, and these sheets are stuck together with the separator, then sealed within aluminum cases. The manufacturing process for these batteries is divided in two stages. The first stage is one single line of production, and the second stage is an assembly line with the conveyors. We will focus our simulation in the second stage, since it's where we can have more changes. I've designed an entire plan, and I will focus on the assembly area. I've created 3D models in both AutoCAD and Robot Studio in order to achieve highest level of detail. I have loaded all the 3D models into the Robot Studio software and placed them together according to the plane I decided before. I've selected the robot IRB 120 from the branch ABB, since this is the smallest one currently the brand has to offer. The simulation begins in the stacking process, where the robot picks the battery and places it into the conveyor. Then the conveyor transports the battery across the assembly line, and the human operators pick them up in order to do process with them, like weld them together with the connectors, seal them into the aluminum cases, or doing the electrolyte filling. At the end of the assembly line, there are two robots that will pick the batteries and place them into small boxes, where an operator will take them and do the final storage at the forming area. I've simulated a new line of production where I've demonstrated that semi-automatic machines, human operators and robots can work together in an automated line, and hopefully this project will help Bolivia to increase the industry and step into the lithium batteries business. Thanks for your attention.